y'all. I am working on my Steampunk Blues project again. I wanted to make some more little notebooks. I have some paper bag left over and some digitals. I wanted to use these really cool doors and the rest of my steampunk paper that I made. Just trying to decide what to do or how I want to go about this. Decisions, right? So the first thing that I'm going to do is cut these pages down. Get rid of all this extra stuff that I don't need so that I can make better decisions. Now again, me being indecisive, I thought that I was going to use the whole sheet and glue the paper bag to the back of it, and then I decided, well, let me see what this looks like. And so I made a different choice, and I'm going to cut this paper bag down first to the size of the notebooks that I want to make. Now I'm going to cut these doors out closer so that I can mat them on the front of the notebooks. And I'm just going to glue those down. Crooked. Luckily, I caught it quick enough. The glue was still wet, and I could try again. Okay. These would make stinking cute cards, especially for little boys. These would be cute for little boys' birthday cards. Okay, I'm going to guesstimate these pages, and this is how I do it. And I use a metal ruler for the straight edge tear for these. For some of you, this step is going to be a little bit boring to watch, but for others, this is a step that they need to see in order to learn how to make these little notebooks and things. I know they seem simple, but for people who haven't created notebooks before or who are new to paper crafting, they need to see these steps. And I make another one later on, and I do speed up the video. Now I'll set all that knowing that in my video you can see I'm a little bit out of frame, but I think I make up for it with the next notebook. Okay, I folded those pages in half. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to use my stapler to secure the pages. So I'm going to turn the notebook upside down, line my stapler up with the spine, and staple it so that the flat side of the staple is on the outside. Now every time you make a notebook or a journal, you will need to kind of open it, flip through the pages, loosen some of the pages up, maybe press on them and get them comfortable. And remember I said that I was going to make something to slide into these gold strings. And this is what I'm making to put there. Yep, I'm happy with this. Now I'm going to make one for the other side. Going to speed this one up. Okay, this is what this one looks like. And then I'll just slide it into place. I play with it for a little bit, but I slide it into place. And I think I'm almost done with this journal. I think maybe one or two more videos and I'll be done with it. Thanks for all the support, you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.